Hello, everyone. So I'm going to talk about how to generate a dataset for convolutional neural networks. In general, how to create a dataset for machine learning is a pretty interesting topic. And most of the techniques I'm going to go over today are about that. So my first experience with developing a dataset was when I was at grad school, and I was working on fusing time of flight as stereo data, and my advisor told me, well, first part of your PhD, you're going to collect some sequences you're going to use for the rest of the PhD. So maybe in a couple of weeks, you acquire some sequences. Well, it took more than 6 months to get to a reliable data set. So it was a big part of my PhD, and I believe that having good data for training your algorithms is really what makes the difference. And this is even more true now with deep learning algorithms in which the algorithmic component of the system is actually smaller, and data are the big part. So first of all, let's provide some feedback, some background about Aquifi. So I'm currently CTO at Aquifi. Aquifi is a startup located in Palo Alto, and we focus on manufacturing and logistics. In particular, we provide a visual inspection procedures that include sizing of objects. So we have a 3D, let's say, sensor that allows us to estimate the size of an object, identify which object is being framed. So this includes also classification and defects and anomalies detection given a model of an object. So towards this, we combine basically 3D data and color images to perform such tasks.